In an age where we're working with our arms in front of us pretty much all of the time, or we're on our phones for hours at a time, checking out Dr. Malka's TikTok and YouTube. And so with this, you can really create bad posture, that rounded shoulder posture. And with time, that can turn into a neck hump or a Dowager's hump. And so in this video, I'm going to show you through stretching and through exercises how to open up that chest, how to bring those shoulders back and keep them back. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to use a bolster, but you could use a rolled up towel as well and put it on your bed. And you're just going to bring your body like this, right over that towel, and drop your arms back like this. That's going to open up the chest, because there's two components to this rounded shoulder posture, and that is a weak upper back muscles and tight pectoralis or chest muscles. So we can go like this and just drop the shoulders down. And then another way of doing this is to just come over to the edge of your bed or your couch. And of course, you can only do one arm at a time. Or you could just slide to the edge of your couch or your bed and just drop the arm out like this. And just feel that stretch in here. When you're stretching it, make sure to bring the arm up like this. That stretches the lower chest muscles. Right here stretches the middle, and then here stretches the top. I feel the stretch the most right here, so that's where I'm going to concentrate the stretch. And just relax, and you can be in this position for 5 minutes. And then also, you can get like a can or a weight. This is my new favorite Spindrift. It's all natural juice. And just drop it down and allow that weight to go ahead and pull this down further to open up this chest muscle. And don't forget to do the other side. Continuing with the exercises lying down, go ahead and grab that rolled up towel or bolster and line it up right along the spine again. And you're going to give a little lift, because as we're doing these exercises, we're going to keep stretching those chest muscles as well. So put your hands in this position and then squeeze your shoulder blades together as hard as you can against the table. So you're coming down like this and squeezing. And then you can come up and squeeze together. And you can hold this for a good 30 seconds to a minute, and then come down and squeeze together. And come back to that center spot, because that's really the best place. You're going to really get those rhomboid muscles in between the shoulder blades, as well as those medial trapezius, and squeeze. And I can really feel the burning in here really good right now. And then you can start sliding the arms up and down as well. Again, squeezing the shoulder blades together, bring the arms up like this, bring the arms down like this. Continue to squeeze. If this is too intense for you, maybe this is your first time doing this, you might feel more comfortable just taking the bolster away. And so what you'll want to do in this position, again, in this position with the hands like this, you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together. And you can see I'm even lifting my back off the table. And again, you can just do exactly what I did before, but without the rolled up towel or bolster. If you want to do this standing up against the wall, I really recommend this. So our goal is what we call a plumb line. That is, there should be a line through your ear, through your shoulder, through your hip, and your outer ankle. So if I'm like this, the ear is in front of the shoulder. If I'm kind of leaning like this, my hips are in front of the side of my ankle. And so what's really great about the wall is you can stand up against the wall, get nice and straight, and then come out from the wall like this, and this is where you know you have to be. But oftentimes with these stretches and exercises, I'll be exaggerating the movement, because if you're here and you want to get here, you really have to do exercises that are going to really bring you back to get you in that healthy neutral. So let's go ahead and stretch these chest muscles first. So I'm going to put my hand against this wall and just twist my body, and I can feel that stretch really good in this area. Again, if I want to do the lower ones, I come like this. And if I want to do the upper ones, I come like this, and I'm just rotating my body, feeling that stretch in here. So I like this one in the middle. I can really feel it. And you just turn your whole body and hold this for a good 30 seconds or a minute. You can even resist a little bit against this. You know how we do that with the neck, the resistance exercises and other areas of the body? You can go ahead and push in this direction without changing the range of motion. So I'm going to push my arm against the wall. You'll feel a little bit of a release in that stretch, then relax and stretch it more. And then I'm going to twist again in this direction without changing the range of motion. Twist. And again, I'm feeling a little bit of a release in that stretch. Relax and see if I can go a little bit further. So let's show this to you at a different angle and with the other arm. I'm going to put my hand here, elbow straight, and I'm going to twist my body in the opposite direction. And I can feel that stretch really good in that left chest. And we can then bring it up, twist, bring it down, twist, and let's try that twisting against resistance. And again, you could just do a straight twist and hold it for a full minute. Now I'm going to push my arm in this direction against the wall, but without changing the range of motion. I'm going to push and then relax. See if I can stretch a little bit more. And then push. Hold that push for a good 10 or 15 seconds and relax and stretch into that. Stretch a little bit more. This is a little bit confusing for you. Don't worry, just the straight stretch is going to be fine as well. And then let's go and do those exercises up against the wall. And you want to put your feet right up against the wall, put your elbows like this, and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Now while you're doing this, make sure the head is back. You don't want your head jutted forward. So make sure the chin is back and you're squeezing. If you want to intensify this, you can bring the feet out and you can almost do like reverse push-ups. Squeezing the shoulder blades together and back. Shoulder blades together and back. Shoulder blades together and back. Do this for about 40 seconds. You'll really feel the fatigue. Or you can just squeeze together and hold it. If you don't want to do all that wall business, you can still get a pretty good stretch by putting your hands behind your back like this and bringing your arms up off the buttocks. And that you can really feel that in the chest muscles. So you can use your bolster or rolled up towel too, right against that wall space. And then come like this, and then you can get a really good stretch like this by just bringing your arms right up against that wall, and I can really feel that stretch. And you know what I'm doing at the same time? I'm strengthening my upper back. So I'm doing two things at once. I'm stretching out these pectoralis muscles, which is the number one important thing for getting rid of a neck hump, and I'm strengthening my upper back at the same time. So if you enjoyed this video and you feel like you're more opened up, I feel like I can breathe better already. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button and make any comments if you want me to address anything else for you.